Hello students, welcome back class 12. Today I am discussing a new project, a library management system. In 12th class, today I am discussing a new project. You can see library management system. In library, we can register a student detail, we can register book details, and we can perform book issue operation, book return operation, show the details of all kind of information we will display. So this is our library management system, and in this project we already use Python and MySQL because this is our syllabus part. So I want to run this program. You can see run. Okay, so you can see run this program, but it requires a username and password. So here I am putting username and password. After giving correct username password, then this software will work. Okay, so these are the main menu of this library management system. You can see library management system. So first option is to create database, student table, book table, and issue date, to add a new book detail, to add a new student detail, to add a new book detail, to issue a book, to return a book, to show all the details of students, to show all the details of books, to show all the detail of issued book, to show all the details of non-written book, to find book details by book name, and exit. Okay students, so first option is to create library database and student table, book table, and issue table. So for this purpose, you can see here I already created a Python program, create.py. In this create.py, I already created a database library, login table, student table, book table, issue table. Okay, so this table we already created with the help of Python program. So you can see. So I want to run this program. Okay, so first option is already operation performed. Now second option is to add a new student detail. So here I am inputting the student ID 102, student name we can use Priyansh, class you can see here I am inputting 12, section commerce, date of birth here I am mentioning suppose 2003 10, and here I am inputting 5. Okay, so you can see here we have two students, 101 Raj, 12 science and date of birth, and Priyansh, you can see this date of birth. Okay students, so you can see this kind of date of birth and details. These are our students. Okay, this student will move to library and issue a particular book. Okay student, now next option is to add a new book details. So here I am inputting, I want to choose option third, then press enter book ID. So here I am inputting the book ID 10202, book name Java, author name we can use Albert, book price here we can mention say 650. So you can see in our library we can imagine two books are available, Python and Java, and you can see so written means these books are available in our library. So you can see now here I am pressing the enter. Now to issue a book from a library, so here I am using the option 4. Okay, so issue ID here I am using 1002, student ID here I am using 102, book ID here I am using 2, issue date here I am using okay, so these are our issue date. So you can see, so 1000 student ID 102 Priyansh we can say 202 we can say Java, and issue date, and there is no return date because this book is already issued to student 102. Okay student, now here I am pressing the enter key, suppose to show all the detail of student. So here I am using option 6. So you can see, so we have only 2 students. Suppose to show all the details of books, so here I am inputting the option 7. You can see So you can see here Python book is available in the library, but Java 202 Java is already issued to a particular student. So it will give the status of our library books. Now next thing is to show all the details of book issued. Now we can use the option 9 to show all the detail of non-written book. Okay, so you can see. So you can see only one book already issued to student ID 202. Okay, so it will not written by student. Okay students, now next thing is option 10 to find book detail by book name. So here I am using the option 10. Here I am using P. So you can see when you press P, so all the book starting with P letter will show the details. Okay students, now here I want to show one remaining option to return a book. Okay, so here I am using the option 5. Our issue ID is 1002. So you can see in 1002 student is 102 Priyansh, commerce, and date of birth. So Priyansh will issue a book 202, and Java, Albert, and 660. This book is issued by Priyansh. Now and this is our issue ID, and this the other detail. And here Priyansh want to return this book because this book here Priyansh want to return. So here we mention the return date. So here we can mention the return date. Suppose here inputting 7. Okay, so you can see Priyansh or return this book. Okay, this date, and we can press enter. Now we can say the status of our book. Here we can use option 7. Okay, so in option 7 you can see, so Java book again returned to the library. So now Java book is available to other students because this book is returned. Okay students, so you can see this is our project. Okay, in this project we can first register students, we can register our books, then we can perform our issue and return operation, and we will see the whole kind of details one by one. Now we can press 11 to exit this project. But in this project, so you can see a project start. This is our project start Python file. In this project we created these Python programs. Create Python program, student insert Python program, book insert, issue, return book, student detail, book details, issue book details, note return book details, book detail. So these are our Python programs. Here I am showing the all the Python programs files. You can see these are our all Python library management program already used these files, book details and book details by name, book insert, create, issue book, the details, note return book details, project start, return book, student detail, student insert details. So this program will work together, and you already see the output. So this and our project start program file you can see. So this is our login program. First we inputted our username and password. Okay, and then these are our menu. You already seen in our output. And when you choose particular operation, then particular Python program file, and in this file particular function will call. Okay, suppose you want to select fourth option to issue library. So when you use fourth option, so here fourth this option will work, issue.data1. This issue is our Python program file, and in this data1 will work. So here I am showing issue file. So you can see this is our issue Python program file, or this in this program you can see issue operation will call. So this data1 function will call, and this program will perform our issue operation one by one. So you can see, so in this project we use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 Python program will work to complete library management system. Okay student, hope you understand this project. Okay students, thank you so much.